Hola, estudiantes. Yo soy señorita González y vamos a aprender los dos por y para. The same, which means for, also means other things as we have been finding out. And so you are going to be able to use these in sentences and know the difference when you use por and para. Okay, let me go ahead and we're going to have a PowerPoint that goes with me talking with you. It's quite easy because we've already been discussing the difference between por and para. And just know if you do use the wrong one, people are still going to understand you. It's just that we want to be using the correct form of the right use of these two different ways of saying the for, which also means by or through, as we have talked about in class before. So the thing that you have to know is there's different ways of using it. So you have, of course, when you're using, say, for example, we have Juan vivió en Japón. That's going to be por 4 años. And the reason why we use that example is because we're going to use a duration of an action. So that's why we use that one. All right? And so on. So those are the different ones we have. And then here are the answers for those. ¿Quién va a hablar por mí? That was the one that is number 2. So you have your answers on there as well. And so you get to practice. And you can take your time and go over your notes, okay? Because we went over this in class. Muy bien. Nos vemos. We'll see each other again. Adiós.